What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. Some of you might know by now that I love porridge, and from the title you know what porridge I'm going to make. So without further delay, let's get straight to the recipe. So here are all the ingredients. You will need plant milk. I'm using freshly made coconut milk, but any plant-based milk work. You will need raw almonds. Now to sweeten, I'm going to use cane sugar, but you can use any other sweetener of your choice. You will need oats. I'm using old-fashioned, but quick oats work as well. You will also need allspice, nutmeg, bay leaves, vanilla extract, and salt. Now the full list and measurements will be listed in the description, so make sure you check that out. To my pot, I added 2.5 cups of water and 2 cups coconut milk. I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil. In that meantime, I went ahead and blend the oats and almonds. My camera kinda lost focus here, but I added the almonds and the oats. I'm also going to add 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Now this is a decent pot of porridge, but if you're making this for yourself, you can cut the recipe in half. Now that my pot has come to a boil, I'm going to add the blended mixture, and make sure that you mix this properly because you don't want any lumps. This will thicken as it cooks, so make sure that you stir this properly to prevent lumps. So over medium heat, I'm going to cover this and allow the porridge to cook for about 20 minutes. In the space of that 20 minutes, make sure that you occasionally check on your pot and give it a stir. The porridge is starting to thicken, and as I mentioned, make sure that you occasionally check on it and give it a stir. After 20 minutes of cooking, it's time to add the remaining spices and sweeten the porridge. Peanut porridge is one of my favorite, but this right here, this is peanut porridge cousin, because this porridge nice, honestly, so smooth, creamy, rich, and flavorful. So I topped this off with some almonds, and I also added some grated nutmeg. Like, honestly, I said it before, but I'm gonna say it again, this porridge nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you do, and until next time, bless upon yourself.